morning and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then welcome. My name is Olivia and I'm a 7th grade language arts teacher right outside of Philadelphia. Today is classroom setup part 3. I am super excited to go in there. Hopefully this is the fun stuff of decorating and hanging things on my walls. We shall see when we get in there, but if you missed part 1 and part 2, definitely make sure you go back and check out those videos, and let's get right into part 3. I am so excited. I just came in my room and yes, there's still some trash, but I can deal with that, whatever. I am so happy that all of the desks are gone because that means that I can totally just like start setting up. Oh, I'm so excited. It looks so big in here. So I am going to unload the rest of the stuff from my car and then I'll show you everything that I got. I have a really big area rug that I got for free, which is awesome. So I'm gonna unload everything from my car and then I will show you guys what I got. All right, so here are some of the new things that I got for my room. This is a huge area rug. I mean, I think it's big, it looks like it. I haven't unrolled it or anything, but I got this free. Shout out to Havertown Carpet Company because they gave it to me for free because I was a teacher, so that was super nice. And then I picked up this stool from Marshall's, only 30 bucks, and I think it's so cute. So I'm gonna stick that in the front of the room, so if I ever wanna just like sit in front of the classroom and look out at the kids, then I can sit on that. I got this shelf from Marshall's, and this is to hold all my essential oils. And then I also got at Marshall's this tapestry, and I think it's so cute. I love how big it is, and it's just simple with the rainbow. I wanted to get a pride flag, but I haven't gotten a chance to, so I thought this was kind of like a cuter equivalent of a pride flag. And then these are bins. I told you guys in part 2 that I got a bunch of stuff to make a prize bin. So when kids are, you know, they do something good, I'm gonna give them a prize. Oh my gosh, I can't get them undone. I got 2 of those. I think what I'm gonna do right now is just focus on getting out all the trash. So I'm gonna put these boxes by the door outside, and then I'm also, because there's obviously some there too, and then I need to get rid of this bookshelf because it literally is warped at the bottom and it falls and it's not good. I got another one on Facebook Marketplace, so I'm gonna go pick that up tonight. You can see it's like so crooked. I need to put all the trash outside of this door, and then I'm gonna work on setting up all my desks. I would love to have my desks in groups. That's preferably how I like my desks in my classroom, but because of COVID, I don't think I'm gonna be able to do that, so I'm just gonna play it safe and put them in like single rows like I did last year, just so that I don't have to like move everything around, because I have a feeling I'm not gonna be able to do groups. Sweating so much. I feel like my air is like not working for whatever reason. I mean, it's like you can hear it on, but it's like not cold in here. Whew. But anyway, I'm kind of at a roadblock with these desks because they are really big, and I was trying to space them out like this so that way I'm just like prepared for COVID and stuff, but I don't think I'm gonna fit all of them. I'm gonna try and play around a little bit more, but I might have to do pairs, or I may just put them in groups anyway, because what I have a feeling that what's gonna happen this year is that we're gonna get like some students virtual and some students in person. So I don't think there's even gonna be, like I think it's gonna be like last year when the most kids I had was like 10 or 11 in a class. So if they're put in groups, I could just put like 1 or 2. I don't know. I feel really good about this. I was able to do mainly pairs, and then I have some singles, and then I did like 1 single here. I'm gonna try and figure out this cart, but I kind of need it there because it's all the projector, speaker, all the wiring from that. And then I have a random desk back here because we have cameras and we have to hook a Chromebook up to the camera. So I always have to have like some sort of desk that I can just leave the Chromebook on there. So students won't sit there, it'll just be for like me, but I think this looks pretty good. I'm like super stoked at how the chairs look, and they look so clean, and it actually brought me back to my high school classroom because what I taught for 2 years, because I usually did pairs in there and I like totally forgot, and this kind of just like reminded me. So super excited that that's done now that I'm sweating. So now I'm gonna actually try and like put some more things back together. Here is everything that I did today. It is now a little after 1 o'clock, so I've been here all day. I'm getting really, really hungry. So I'm probably gonna stop for now, and then the last thing I'll have to do is just come in when I'm like starting school pretty much, but I'll show you what I have. So this corner is really empty because I have a bookshelf I'm picking up from Facebook Marketplace tonight, and that's gonna go there, and this is gonna be like a student center. So I have to obviously set up this area, so that's not done. And then I wanna get border for the bulletin board or whiteboard board, whatever this is. I don't really know what I'm gonna put here yet, so this area I'm still working on. I am loving my teacher area. I have everything pretty much set up exactly the way I'm probably gonna leave it. So I just have like my ottoman here to cover up some wires. And then I just have like pictures, my microwave, printer, everything that I need. This is a 31 bag and I love it, and it holds a lot of textbooks and other things that I need. So I just am so happy I put this table back here because it was just really needed. I have my mini fridge. I set up some more pictures, and then so like this is like my pictures and thank yous and everything from students, and then this bulletin board is like things that I actually need and look at every single day, like objectives and schedule and all that kind of stuff. So the only other thing I want to do pretty much to my corner is set up Christmas lights at some point, so that will have to wait. And then I'm also gonna have to clean up my teacher area or my desk, so I'm gonna have to like take gonna have to go through my drawers and really just like clean out my drawers, but for the most part, my teacher area is like pretty much done. And then I'm loving so much the front of my room. It is so cute and cozy. I have my Young Living oils all set up. I love the way that that looks. And then I got that from Marshall's I showed you guys, and it's just so cute. And I have my Christmas lights, another ottoman, and then I set up my affirmation mirror. So I have to clean off my mirror, but I hung that on the wall rather than just putting it on the floor. I was so nervous to do that. I thought it was gonna like break the glass, but it didn't. So I just nailed that right into the wall. I didn't do anything really to my shelves, and then I have to get a lampshade for this lamp over here that broke. But I love my gallery wall. It literally came out exactly how I envisioned it, so I kind of just set everything up on the floor as you guys saw, and then just literally hung it on nails. So it was super easy to do, and I love that so much. And then I just put my tapestry right there across from it, and then I had these posters, and I knew at the end of the school year last year that I wanted to put these posters on either side of the bulletin board. I just think it looks really good and symmetrical, so I just threw them up there, and that's pretty much it. I am so excited at how much I got done today, and I'm just really happy. So all I have to really do is just kind of like clean up some things here and there. Still gotta clean up these wires, and then I'll do this area. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you got some inspiration for your own classroom. Let me know down in the comments if you did, and if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads, and keep a lookout for part 4, which will probably be the last one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.